You asked, how to divide 1248 by 6 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 12. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 6 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 4 minus 0 equals 4. Bring down 8, making 48. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. 8 times 6 equals 48. 48 minus 48 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 208.